Hi, it's Richard from SleepHaven. Just going to give you a quick carpet cleaning tip and also may answer a few questions regarding for our customers. A lot of our customers ask us what do we do about furniture, how we move it. Well, we use these carpet sliders. So what we do, the boys here just put these sliders under the legs of the tables or the couches, put them under there, and then I can, or whoever, can just move the tables around with ease so we can get under all the furniture, clean it and then put it in the right place. So even an old man like myself, an old codger, while the boys are working, I can move this table around as easy as that, like that, move it around and put it back for the customer, and therefore it's not damaging the carpet. Again, you've got a big heavy couch like this, quite easy to move, and again it's not dragging or causing damage to the carpet. So these sliders, you can find them on our website, so you can purchase them from there, and they're quite handy to protect the carpet. So go on our website, you can buy these, or also you can have a look on our YouTube channel, and there's lots of useful tips and products on there as well. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook as well. Anyway, hope that helps and answers some of your questions. Take care.